Hello students, in this video we are going to learn properties of a triangle chapter exercise 10b questions and its answers. But before going to start the exercise 10b, let us revise the formulas related to in circle and formulas related to X circle. So let's select the one triangle ABC. In this, vertex A opposite side is denoting with a small a and it is a small b, here small c. So here is a in circle, its radius is denoting with a small r, and s equals to a plus b plus c divided by 2. So then the first formula is area of a triangle delta equals to r into s. Next second formula is r equals to s minus a into tan a by 2 equals to, next third formula, r equals to a divided by cot b by 2 plus cot c by 2 equals to, next fourth formula, r equals to 4r sin a by 2 into sin b by 2 into sin c by 2. So these are the four formulas related to in circle in this exercise. Next, X circle. In the triangle ABC, extend the side AB and AC. So then one circle will be formed outside of the triangle. It is called a X circle, and this X circle is opposite to vertex A. So its radius is denoting with R1. Similarly, we can draw one more X circle when you extending the two sides like this. So it is opposite to capital B, so then it is denoting with R2, and here also we can draw one X circle, it is opposite to capital C, so it is denoting, its radius is denoting with R3. So these X circles are possible when you extending the sides. So then the first formula R1 equals to delta divided by S minus A. Next to R2 equals to delta divided by S minus B. Next to R3 equals to delta divided by S minus C. Next to second formula, R1 equals to S into tan A by 2 equals to S minus C into cot B by 2 equals to S minus B into cot C by 2. Next third formula is R1 equals to A divided by tan B by 2 plus tan C by 2. Next to R2 equals to B divided by tan C by 2 plus tan A by 2. Next to R3 equals to small c divided by tan A by 2 plus tan B by 2. Next to fourth formula, R1 equals to 4R sin A by 2 into cos B by 2 into cos C by 2. Next to R2 equals to 4R cos A by 2 into sin B by 2 into cos C by 2. Next R3 equals to 4R cos A by 2 into cos B by 2 into sin C by 2. So let's start the exercise 10b first problem. So first question, express sigma R1 cot A by 2 in terms of S. So sigma R1 cot A by 2 equals to R1 cot A by 2 plus R2 cot B by 2 plus R3 cot C by 2. But R1 formula is S into tan A by 2 Next to R2 formula is S into tan B by 2. Next to R3 formula is S into tan C by 2. So it is equals to S into tan A by 2 we can write as a 1 by cot A by 2. So now we can cancel the cot A by 2, cot A by 2, cot B by 2, cot B by 2, cot C by 2, cot C by 2. So S plus S plus S, it is equals to 3S. So the given question expressed in terms of a S. So this is our required answer. Next to first bit second problem, show that sigma A cot A equals to 2 into bracket of R plus R. So let's take the LHS. So LHS equals to sigma A into cot A. So it is equals to sigma A into cot A cos A divided by sin A. But sigma, so the sine rule is small a divided by sin A equals to 2R is the sine rule. R is a circumradius. From this, A value is 2 into R sin A into cos A divided by sin A. Now sin A is cancelled. So sigma 2R cos A. So now remove the sigma. Then what will happen? 2R cos A plus circumradius is a constant, so 2R will come as it is, but angle A will becomes angle B, so 2R into cos C. Now take the 2R common, so it is equals to cos A plus cos B plus cos C. So it is equals to 2R. Here for the first two terms, apply the cos C plus cos D formula. So that is 2 cos C plus D by 2. So that means A plus B divided by 2 into cos C minus D by 2, A minus B divided by 2 plus, so actually cos 2 theta equals to 1 minus 2 sin square theta, then cos theta equals to 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. So then here 1 minus 2 sin square C by 2. So but A plus B plus C equals to 180 degrees. So from this A plus B divided by 2 equals to 90 minus C by 2. So substitute this value. So 2R bracket of 2 into cos A plus B by 2 can write as a 90 minus C by 2 into cos A minus B divided by 2 plus 1 minus, so 2 into cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, so then sin C by 2 into cos. So from these two terms we can take the sin 2 sin C by 2 common, so 2R bracket of, first I am writing the 1 plus 2 sin C by 2 is a common, so then cos A minus B divided by 2 minus sin C by 2. So it is equals to 2R bracket of 1 plus 2 sin C by 2 into cos A minus B divided by 2 minus sin C by 2 can write as a 90 minus bracket of A plus B divided by 2. Now it is equals to 2R bracket of 1 plus 2 sin C by 2. So cos A minus B by 2 minus, here sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, so then cos A plus B divided by 2. So here we can apply the one formula, so that is cos C minus cos D formula, so it is equals to 2 into sin C plus D by 2 into sin D minus C by 2. So it is equals to 2R bracket of 1 plus 2 sine c by 2. So here c value is a minus b by 2 and d value is a plus b by 2. So then 2 sine c plus d by 2. So that means a minus b by 2 plus a plus b by 2 whole by 2 into sine d minus c by 2. So a plus b by 2 minus bracket of a minus b by 2 whole by 2. So it is equals to 2r bracket of 1 plus 2 sine c by 2. So 2 into, so here minus b plus b cancel, a plus a 2a, 2a by 2 is a. So then overall here you will get sine a by 2 and its simplification is sine b by 2. So then it is equals to 2r 1 plus, sorry here actually, yeah, 2 into 2 how much? 4. So then 4 sine a by 2 into sine b by 2 into sine c by 2. So it is equals to 2r. So we have a one formula, r equals to 4r sine a by 2 into sine b by 2 into sine c by 2. From this we can write r by capital R equals to 4 sine a by 2 into sine b by 2 into sine c. So then 1 place, at this place we can write r by capital R. Now multiply 2r in inside, 2r into 1 is 2r, 2r into small r by capital R, capital R cancel. Now we can take the 2 common, capital R plus small r. So it is equals to RHS. So hence proved. Next to third question, in triangle ABC, prove that R1 plus R2 plus R3 minus R equals to 4R. Here R1, R2, R3 are radius of a X circle and R is a radius of in circle. Capital R is a radius of a circumcircle. So first I am selecting the LHS. So LHS equals to, so R1 equals to delta divided by S minus A plus R2 equals to delta divided by S minus B plus R3 equals to delta divided by S minus C minus R equals to delta divided by S. So now for these two take the LCM and at the same time delta is common. So S minus A into S minus B. So then S minus B plus S minus A, and from the remaining two take the delta common and at the same time LCM of the denominators. So S minus bracket of S minus C. So delta bracket of, here S plus S is 2S and take the minus common, bracket of A plus B divided by S minus A into S minus B plus delta into, here pluses minuses cancel and minus of minus plus C. So C divided by S minus C into S. But actually S formula is A plus B plus C divided by 2. From this 2S equals to A plus B plus C and 2S minus bracket of A plus B equals to C. So it is equals to delta bracket of, so at this place we can substitute the C. So C divided by S minus A into, so now it is equals to delta C. So here we can take the C also common, then overall S minus A into S minus B into, here S minus C. So then S minus C into S plus S minus A into S minus B. So it is equals to delta C divided by, so actually delta formula is from the Heron's formula, S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. From this delta square will becomes S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So then here denominator can substitute as a delta square and simplify this s square minus sc, and simplify this to s into s square minus sb minus sa minus into minus plus ab. So here square and delta will be cancelled, so c divided by delta bracket of here s square 2s square minus, take the minuses common from the remaining 3, so a plus b plus c and plus ab divided by, so no division, so it is equals to c by delta 2s square minus s into, so here a plus b plus c means 2s plus a into b. Here s into 2s is 2s square, so 2s square minus 2s square cancel, c divided by delta into ab, so it is equals to abc divided by delta. But actually delta formula is abc divided by 4r. From this 4r equals to abc divided by delta, so then it is equals to exactly 4r, so it is RHS, so hence proved. Fourth question is, in triangle ABC, prove that r plus r1 plus r2 minus r3 equals to 4r cos c. So LHS equals, so now we need to change the position of the terms in the given LHS. So r1 plus r2 write first place, next to r minus r3. Now substitute the formulas for these four. R1 formula is 4r sin a by 2 into cos b by 2 into cos c by 2. Next R2 formula is 4r cos a by 2 into sin b by 2 into cos c by 2, plus R formula is 4r sin a by 2 into sin b by 2 into sin c by 2, minus R3 formula 4r cos a by 2 into cos b by 2 into sin c by 2. From the first two terms we can take the 4r sin a by 2 is common, so then the remaining terms are cos b by 2, sorry here not sin a by 2, cos c by 2 is a common, so then sin a by 2 into cos b by 2 plus cos a by 2 into sin b by 2, plus from these two take the 4r common and sin c by 2 also common, so then sin a by 2 into sin b by 2 minus cos a by 2 into cos b by 2, so it is equals to 4r cos c by 2 bracket of sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, formula is sin a plus b, so then sin a by 2 plus b by 2, so bracket close, plus 4r, so here what I am doing, let's take the minus common, so plus of minus will become minus, so 4r sin c by 2, and this term will become positive, so write it first place, so cos a by 2 into cos b by 2, and this positive term will becomes negative, so then minus sin a by 2 into sin b by 2, so then it is equals to 4r cos c by 2 into, so sin a by 2 plus b by 2 we can write as a 90 minus c by 2, because sum of the three angles is 180 degrees, minus 4 sin c by 2, here cos a cos b minus sin a sin b formula cos a plus b, so then cos a by 2 plus b by 2, so it is equals to 4r cos c by 2, here sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, so then cos c by 2 minus 4r sine c by 2. So cos a by 2 plus b by 2 equals to 90 minus c by 2. So 4r cos c by 2 into cos c by 2, cos square c by 2 minus 4r sin c by 2 into cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, so sin c by 2. So 4r cos square c by 2 minus 4r sin square c by 2. So now we can take the 4r common. So then cos square c by 2 minus sin square c by 2. So actually cos 2 theta formula cos square theta minus sin square theta. From this cos theta formula cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. So 4r, so it is equals to exactly cos c. So it is RHS, so hence proved. Fifth question, if r plus r1 plus r2 equals to r3, then show that angle C equals to 90 degrees. So given that r plus r1 plus r2 equals to r3, so then r1 plus r2 equals to r3 minus r. R1 formula is delta divided by s minus a, and R2 formula is delta divided by s minus b. R3 formula delta divided by s minus c, minus R formula is delta divided by s. So delta can be taken be common in the left side and right side, and at the same time take the LCM. So s minus b plus s minus a, it is equals to, here take the delta common and take the LCM also, s into s minus c, so s minus bracket of s minus c. So delta, here we can cancel the delta on both sides. So s plus s is 2s minus bracket of a plus b divided by s minus a into s minus b, it is equals to plus s minus s cancel, so and minus of minus plus c, so c divided by s into s minus c. But actually s formula is a plus b plus c divided by 2, then 2s formula is a plus b plus c, then 2s minus bracket of a plus b equals to c. So this value can be substituted. So it is equals to c divided by s minus a into s minus b equals to c divided by s into s minus c. We can cancel the c on both sides. So then do cross multiplication. So s into s minus c equals to s minus a into s minus b. S into s, s square minus sc minus s square minus sb minus sa plus a into b. Plus s square cancel, minus sc. So do one thing, plus ab transpose to another side, and so minus sc plus sb plus sa equals to a into b. Minus sc, here take the s common from these two, b plus a equals to a into b. So otherwise let's take the s common from the three terms. So a plus b minus c equals to a into b, but s formula is a plus b plus c divided by 2 into a plus b minus c equals to a into b. So a plus b plus c into a plus b minus c equals to a into b, and 2 transpose to RHS side. So now it is equals to, here a plus b, a minus b formula, so that is a square minus b square, it is equals to 2ab. Then a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus c square equals to 2ab. So a square plus b square 2ab minus 2ab plus c square. So then a square plus b square equals to c square. Here A, B, C are sides of a triangle. So it is very clear, square of the side of triangle equals to sum of the squares of other two sides. So then as per the converse Pythagoras theorem, we can say the triangle is a right angle triangle and the right angle will be equals to, so angle C will be equals to 90 degrees. Because in this C is a hypotenuse, so hypotenuse opposite angle is a 90 degrees. So actually AB is denoting with a small c and AC denoting with a small b, CB denoting with a small a. So now we got c square equals to a square plus b square. Then its opposite side angle is what? Angle C. So angle C will be 90 degrees. So hence proved.